This is a forgotten motorcycle. The owner contacted us, said there was a motorcycle he wanted to sell, so we rushed to the scene immediately. Bring it to our studio first. Put it on the table. After our initial inspection, found this car. It's actually a supercar from Honda in the 1990s. It's called the Honda Blackbird. Equipped with a 1134cc engine, top speed up to 320 km/h. But there was no opponent at that time. Now, let's replace the vehicle with a new battery first. Then check the wiring. After replacing the new battery, the whole car is still not powered on. Measure the insurance with a multimeter first. Is the silk normal? I found it. It's the fuse. We replace it with a brand new fuse. Okay, now the problem is solved. It can be powered on normally. We add new gasoline for 2024. Then we check the oil condition. Now let's see if he can shoot the car with one shot. Okay, successful landing. The next step is to refurbish and prepare the vehicle. Video fast forward here. Please be patient. Disassembled. Give him a bath first. The paint peeling on his engine and frame below. Do a detailed preparation. Processed. It's much more pleasing to the eye. Let's take it apart in more depth. Refurbishment. So enjoy the renovation. Ready. Start loading. Let me see no palace on. will kiss on the block. There's no day to you. Come and give me what? In this yellow pollution. People kiss on the color. The new behind. On the sky anyway. It's on love. Locked out the moon anyway. Come look here anyway. Slip I love to the missing the balance of the war keeps on the glide. Okay, the installation is complete. Enjoy next. The Honda Super Blackbird from the 1990s. Okay. I said. So, we're going to take a video. Have friends who like to renovate old cars. Can you give me some attention? I will keep updating. See you next time.